Why hello. Come on in. We've got another condo tour, or perhaps this is a penthouse. That's what they say, but we are at the Astro condos near the Night Market Bazaar in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So I'll give you a quick tour of this place. Looking over here, you can see the kitchen. Pretty nice kitchen, lots of things. It's pretty cool that they have an air fryer, which if I was gonna be cooking stuff, I guess I would cook it in the air fryer. Scooting on back over here, coming over to this left-hand side is our very first bathroom. We have a bathroom for guests down here. Really clean looking mirror, and of course a toilet, most important thing about a bathroom, right? Sink too. Coming over to this living room, we have a nice dining room table, seats up to 4. Really nice artwork. Mirror over here. Couch and whatever mini couch this is. Also, other cool thing is the TV. Really large. I'm gonna guess that's a 55-inch screen TV. But surprisingly, in Thailand, we've been watching lots of Better Call Saul because the new season's out that isn't out in the States. So we've been getting an early watch here. This is a little bar stool table with some complimentary alcohol. Just kidding, we got this ourselves. But we'll be drinking that later. Coming out over here, you will find the little mini balcony. We're on the 16th floor, so we have a pretty nice view of Chiang Mai, whatever view this is, but if you want to enjoy the scenery, you can. Come on back into our living room. I forgot to show you a little door, which this door is pretty much a nook for the stairs, and so it's a pretty good use of space. You can see that they put their laundry washboard or ironing board here and other storage stuff, so pretty great use of space in general. Let us tour upstairs. As we walk upstairs, first thing that you'll notice are these 2 little cute goats. They're the protector of the staircase. And then while we're up here, let's take a quick tour down. It looks pretty nice, just staring down at your own living space. So I imagine if you have guests over, you can chat with them while you quickly take a nap in your room. But coming on over into the master bedroom, you'll see there's a TV here as well. So in case you didn't want to watch TV down in the living room, you can just chill in your bed. But onto the bed, I didn't realize this, but they gave us 2 cute little towel elephants. So it's amazing. I already missed the elephants that I saw and I killed it. I'm so sorry. Okay, we'll leave that there. But yeah, nice big bed for activities and good sleeping. Here is a desk. I'm thinking you either do work or you do work on yourself and your face. And here is the other bathroom, which we have a toilet, a shower, and a bathtub. And I think that's pretty much it for the tour. So other cool thing is you can see down in the living room here, but in case you want to take a bath or a shower, you do need to close up shop. So we'll make sure to close here because I don't want people to see me taking a bath. But we'll end it there. All right, take care.